If people are after your life, after your destiny, after your marriage, after your children, please rush and do this. And by the grace of God, you will never be a victim of circumstances. You will never be a victim of premature death. You will never be a victim of your enemies. So, what is that thing you need to do? The first thing you need to do is to pray to God. Then the second thing is to do this natural recipe. And by the special grace of God, those plotting evil against your marriage, your life, your career, your children will all be defeated. So to begin, you are going to be needing these items. The first item you are going to be needing is your early morning urine. I have to put it in a container like this. Then the second item you're going to be needing is your touch and dye leaf. Yes, touch and dye. I don't know if you're seeing it. I'm going to add it to this video. Okay. Yes, I'm going to make a short clip and add it here so you see it very well. The next thing you're going to get is a writing biro and a piece of paper. Now, you are going to write your own name on this and your children's name, or the people that you want to be protected from harm, the people that you know that if anything happens to them, it will really affect you. Yes, you want to protect them. By all means, write their names on a piece of paper. This touch and die leaf is very, very powerful. You know, the way you touch it and it will die, that is how anybody that tries to touch you will go down. Yes, our forefathers used this to do so many things. You can use this to hold your partner, maybe your husband, from cheating. You can use this to hold your wife from cheating. You can actually use this leaf to make your debtors to pay you. You can actually use this to grab those people that want to grab you spiritually. You can use it to disarm them. You touch it, it will sting you like an ant. I don't know whether you have that one, like pin all over the body, very sharp and very painful. So that is how it's going to destroy those people that want to destroy you. It's very powerful for back to sender, which if time permits me, I may come live and teach us everything you need to know about this slave. So now, after writing the people's name you want to be protected, cut some part of this leaf. I don't want it to choke me. Cut some parts like this. It's okay. Put it in the paper. Make sure you wrap it with the paper you use in writing the names of people which you know that if anything happens to them, it will affect you. People that you know that if anybody touch them, their hands should break. Their life should even be involved. Those people that want to destroy you. So you put their names and fold it inside because you want them protected. Fold it like this. Get your early morning urine and put this paper inside it. Believe me, anybody that tries anything, even if it's spiritually, it will harm them. The senders will receive it instantly. The people here nothing will happen to them because this leaf alone is protecting them from their spiritual harm. Anybody that tries anything, the way this thing is going to harm them is it will not be really funny. So this is how it is used for protection. It is used for back to sender. It is used for anybody that wants to kill me. But my language is not a bad thing. Anybody that wants to kill you should kill his or herself. It's not a bad prayer. So you have to pray. Tell God, any man, any woman who has declared his or herself my enemy and the enemies of my children, my family members, let the person go down for my sake. Anybody that wants to kill me and my loved ones will die before us. Anybody that wants to take our life, the life will be taken before our own. After the prayer, put it here, shake it. Say, as I am shaking this, if it's spiritually that you have gone, if it's physical you want to go or you have gone, may all your evil projection towards myself and every name written here go back to you. You can as well say, if I have done you bad, may any bad you wish me come to me. If you know you are evil, don't say this prayer because it's going to backfire. Yes, say, if I have done anything to you and your family member and you want to do me anything you're doing me, let it work for you. But if I have never in my life gone to any place to deal with you, may all you are doing to me go back to you. This prayer is powerful. Yes, they call it Egofo in my language. So if you are a strong spiritualist, Ofo is what we hold to win our enemies. If somebody provoke you, I will tell you, if I can do this thing you did to me, may it work for you. But if I cannot do it, I don't think of doing it to you or any member of your family, may all your wishes against me and my children go back to you. Believe me, before you know it, those things they plan against you and your children will start happening to them. They will start calling you names. Some people will tell you, don't try this person, anything you do, it will backfire. I don't know whether they have said it to you. Some will say, I don't know the God you are serving. Anything you put your hand to work. This one, if nobody is even trying to compete with you, they be saying things that you don't even know what it means, because they have tried so many ways to destroy you. They have tried so many ways to cage you. Sometimes they will start giving you names. An animal they are shooting and you're eating. I don't know whether you have seen an animal when the hunters are trying to kill it, the animal is still eating. Yes, that is a very great name in my language, in my tribe. When somebody calls you and you know that they have tried to kill you and you're still feeling fine, you are still strong. Sometimes they will call you phone. That is somebody that is very great. They will start giving you names. But you, if you're not a spiritual person, you won't understand why they are giving you those names. They are giving you those names because they have tried both physically and spiritually. Sometimes they will say, nah, come and show me where you brought this your power. Yes, tell them that your power comes from God Almighty, the creator that was not created. Tell God, if I have done evil to anybody, let the evil they are planning for me work. That is my prayer every morning and every night, and I've been using that prayer to defeat my enemies. I will say, God Almighty, I woke up today. Anybody that will mention my name in anywhere, if I have not mentioned your name, if I have not done anything evil to you, if I have not done anything evil to your children, man, whatever you are doing to me and my children, work for us. Yes, and those people, the more they try, the more they get defeated. So that should be your prayers if your hands are clean. If your hands are not clean, just tell God to protect yourself and the people that you've written their names here, and God will do that for you. This is very simple but very, very powerful. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye-bye. This plant is touch and die. You can see when you touch it, it will just die. See, it is dying. When you touch